Hey YouTube, welcome back to Walker Built. I'm here with another unboxing today. It's something I didn't necessarily need. I was going to go a different direction with it, but I end up wanting to try out a different company and a different means of doing this. I looked on Amazon and was going to go and buy housings and lamps and kind of piece together a kit myself, but I end up going with the RMS Lighting kit for my Foxbody. It comes with the 4" by 6" housings in glass. It also comes with the proper LED lamps. This is supposed to be the Gen 2 kit that will have the proper reflector also. I'm going to unbox today and I can't wait to get it on the car. I'll probably do another video with a comparison, kind of a before and after. So let's get to it. Thing's pretty heavy, boxed well. I get this thing in the frame here. Get it opened up. Nice packaging. It's got all the details handled. Got the RMS lighting on the tape there. Kind of neat. Got my name on the order inside of there. I don't know if he must box them all himself, so. I think they make these kits for all kinds of different vehicles. Probably 70s and 80s models. He's got kind of a how-to on how to convert some of the stuff, which is basic instructions looks like. This is another thing that sold me on the kit. It's got a full-on adapter to where in my 83, I can just simply plug in and everything should work like it should. Another one there. Got his name on everything. I didn't get any kind of discount, so I'm not gonna necessarily advertise, but the kit was $209. That was shipped. Made in Taiwan on the bottom. That's it is what it is. There's a sticker on the top. Same part number twice, like an RMS 3323. Take a quick look at one of the sets here. There's a bunch of videos out there showing how to open these up and modify and actually get the lamp inside. I'll maybe do a slide install video, but one thing I've always heard about the Gen 2 in my research has been the fact that normally when you put an LED in one of these, the light's broken up so much by the series of lines that you just get a dull, unfocused beam. But whenever you have, I don't know if you can see that in there, there's a bit of a reflector to where the light will bounce off of it, hit the reflector on the back side of the housing, and then expel the light. And that's supposed to give you a little more focused beam, keep the actual light intensity out of oncoming driver's eyes, and it's supposed to kind of be just an overall better setup. So backside is plastic, front side's glass. Seems well sealed, got a nice bead on it. So I'll open up one of the LED sections and call this video good. Happy so far. Pretty straightforward the way these things kind of go in, kind of like a replacement lamp. Doesn't take much. Take a bezel out, pop the sucker back in, and you're off and running. Looks like I've got enough for both the low beam and the high beam. with the two adapters. I kind of wonder about that, but I'm sure everything will come together as it should. That's kind of interesting. Well, they even got their name on the side of the actual LED. And it's not focused towards the front. If you can see that, it's actually the actual diode is actually facing up. That's interesting. A neat little cooling fan in the back there. I really can't wait to see how bright these are based on the halogens I have installed so far. The halogens aren't bad. I thought about putting those on an LED just to simply make them a little brighter. But this is the next level. So, like I said, I'll put out a short video whenever I get them installed, kind of showing them before and after, side to side. My last go around with LEDs in my 83 was the series of the older style multiple LEDs in a cluster in that same housing, and it looked terrible once I had it on the car. It looked like a throwback from the future. Something threw up on the front of my headlight and just left a bunch of dots. It looked strange and not a look that I wanted with the car. I wanted something more OEM and stock-like. So I'll keep the video short. Once I get them installed, I'll have another update and we'll go from there. As always, keep building and have fun.